we're gonna do a grapefruit, and the same technique applies for an orange. First, cut off the sides. Do the other side, expose the flesh. Now we're going to use our blade and go in a circular curved motion from tip to bottom. So you start here. Start slow so you can figure out how thick it is before you remove more. Use the tip of your knife, not so much the tip end of the knife, so you can remove as little as possible. The goal here is to keep the grapefruit and eat it, not have it on the peel. Follow the natural line. Now remove any excess that you missed. At this point, you could cut it in wedges, or I'm going to show you how to have segments, which is the pure grapefruit fibers. Use your paring knife and go against the right fiber as far as possible, touching the fiber so you keep the grapefruit and eat it. And go in a V. Go against the fiber on the left and on the right.